Carry on, my wayward son. There will be peace when you are done.
Aho. Well. I have a box. But note, it's only one box. Because this guy doesn't read good, apparently. So, I've been waiting on this fucking headlight for, I don't know, 2 weeks now. This pair, what I thought was a pair of headlights. Guess what? It's not a pair of headlights. It's actually only one singular headlight. I was fooled by the photo because I'm from Mississippi and we don't read good. So, I guess I'm gonna have to order another one. Odd thing about this is, I'll show you, for whatever reason, this really cool, awesome little headlight. Alright, yeah, it's neat. Very almost aux beam looking for some reason. Also comes with an adapter. Though it may not have come with another headlight, it did come with something I'm never gonna use. What the fuck is the point in this?
Fuck, I don't even know what it means, man. I'm just making up as I go along, all right? Why are you asking me all these questions?
I have an idea. Perfect. So I'm a little more than perturbed by this, mostly because the price was similar to things that came as a pair. You know, you're never supposed to assume anything, so it's 110% on me. You know what they say about assuming stuff. It makes an ass out of you and me. But as you guys can tell, I brought my old F100 back out of the field for a little TLC. So what the fuck was that? What is this? Oh, yeah, no, this was not back here. This was something I found in my ditch while I was mowing the other day, and I tossed it back here just to get it out of my way. Okay, now back to the important things at hand. I'm gonna go ahead and order another one of those. Jesus, dude, what is with this fat ass sausage hand? Anyways, but in the meantime, I may just go ahead and install this one. All you actually need is a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the headlight retention ring that's in here, and I'm gonna wire up the DRL. Actually, no, yeah, I'm just gonna wire up the amber turn signal deal to the original park lights and all. Eventually, these are gonna get swapped out for LEDs too, but for now, let's just see what it looks like for shits and gigs. Okay, so we are one headlight down. This is going to be pretty killer in my opinion. Obviously, opinions are like assholes. Everybody's got one. But I think it's going to be pretty neat. Should be pretty sick. Yes, I know. And the survey says... bam. That does not look bad. Obviously, the hood is not completely closed. Hold on. Let me tidy this up a little bit. Oop. Oh. Can't wait to see this thing at night. This is gonna look sick. It's like even even in the year 2033 here, looks like laser headlights on this whole Ford truck. Let's see what the high beams look like. Holy crap, it's not even nighttime. Look at that. Oh. It's like looking at the fucking sun. How dope. I can't wait to get that other headlight. This is not a scientific test. But let's look right here, because I don't feel like standing out here for forever, and I don't have both headlights, so I will post another video when I get both headlights in. Let's hit some high beam, low beam action real quick. Low beam. Note, the left-hand side, halogen, blatantly obvious, sealed beam. Look at that. You can see a color difference because of Kelvin, all that shit. Bam, high beam, absolutely, completely, totally overtakes the halogen. So as you can tell, there is like a lack of natural lighting. So I'm using the small sun behind me and the questionable halogen light. So so far so good. Obviously that is one of two. I can imagine that this thing's gonna be about as bright as a light bar when I get the other one in. So I'll post an update video when I get that done. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, do all that good shit. It really feeds the algorithm gods. Gotta love social media.
No! 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 No!